Hello and welcome to another episode of Learn with Riaz. Everywhere you're looking online, a new title is being thrown around: the AI Generalist. Courses are popping up everywhere, promising to teach students, career switchers, and professionals how to master every industry simultaneously just by learning how to talk to a chatbot. Today, I want to unpack why the AI generalist is a dangerous hoax and why it is setting bright young minds up for a massive reality check. Companies are aggressively targeting students with those courses, but if you look under the hood, what are they actually teaching? They're teaching rigid template based prompts. The problem? Templates are temporary, they change, degrade, or break with every iteration for a new LLM model. It is an illusion of skill. It gives a student surface level information about everything without giving them command over anything. For the teachers and other seasoned professionals watching this, you know what I mean. Think about what it takes to be a writer, an engineer, or an educator. It takes years of trial, error, labor, and love. When a course convinces a young student that typing write a 500 essay on economics makes them an AI writer or an AI marketer, it creates a disconnect. They get the instant gratification of the machine's output, but they mistake that output for their own capability. Let's look at it through a different lens. If you get seriously ill, you don't go to a pharmacy assistant for a complex diagnosis just because they know where the medicine is stored. You go to a doctor, someone who spent a decade understanding the foundational biology of the human body. Without the foundational knowledge and real world experiences, what are these generalists going to accomplish when the AI produces an error? If you do not know the subject, you can't fact check the tool. If you are a student, my advice is simple: don't skip the steps. Take your time to learn a foundational trade, gain real world experience. If you are an educator or a professional, you already have an unshakable foundation in your subject. And that's when AI actually makes sense. It becomes powerful amplifier for your expertise. But remember, knowing how to use AI doesn't mean you have mastery over the subject. Build the mastery first. So I ask you, would you prefer to be a specialist with AI or an AI generalist? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.